everybody. Good evening, teachers. My name is Erica Yvonne P. Justo, and today we'll be reading the short story of The Hare and the Tortoise. So, once upon a time, a very confident hare agrees to race a tortoise. When the race starts, the hare runs as fast as he can, but after a while, he gets tired and decides to take a nap under a tree. Thinking that the tortoise would be able to catch up, he took a quick nap. But the tortoise moved slowly and steadily. When the hare woke up, he realized that the tortoise won. And the moral of the story is that always be slow and steady and not fast and speedy. Thank you.